At a recent landmark workshop that I ran, this swimming pool came up. And the problem was, how do you create a swimming pool like this? It was reasonably easy with a 3D model, but how do you get the site modifiers that make this shape? It actually turned out it was reasonably easy. Once we'd made the shape of this, and let's just start hiding some of these things. I'm just going to use my hide objects button here. So we created this shape. This was our 3D volume that we created. Once we got rid of it, we found that the underside of the pool could be extracted using our extract tool here. We could extract the underside surface. We could then convert that underside surface into these NURBS surfaces. I created a series of NURBS surfaces, and by assigning them to the correct class, which is site-DTM-modifier, they become site modifier objects. If I delete them, the site will go back to the way it was. But this is a great way of creating the shapes that you want. Now this is just typical of the type of thing that we cover in our workshops. People bring their problems to us, we answer those problems, we make a movie, we explain it, and make sure everybody understands how to solve this issue. So to me this was reasonably straightforward once I knew the shape of the pool and how I could do it, and it actually worked out really well. This is my clip cube. If I just grab hold of my clip cube and bring that in, you can see there's the shape there. Let's unhide all my objects. There's my site, and you can see that my site is very closely tied or very closely shaped to follow my pool. So that was a great win. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you'd like to watch this movie again, you do need to be a member on my YouTube channel, but the movie is there. You can watch the entire workshop. See you later.